Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I am Prajesh again, and in this video today I would like to talk about the new Nissan Magnite compact SUV and its crash test rating. The Nissan Magnite compact SUV was launched on 2nd of December 2020 with a starting introductory price of 4.99 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level variant, going all the way up to Rs 9.59 lakh ex-showroom for the top spec variant. At this pricing, the Nissan Magnite is currently the most affordable compact SUV in the Indian market today, while not compromising on the space, comfort and features offered by any other compact SUV in the Indian market. As a matter of fact, the Nissan Magnite entry-level XE variant itself comes as standard with rear windshield wiper washer defogger and rear seat adjustable headrests. Other standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer and pretensioner equipped seat belts. The turbocharged petrol range comes as standard with electronic stability program, traction control, hydraulic brake assist, hill hold assist and rollover mitigation. ISOFIX child seat mounts are also standard across the turbocharged petrol range of the Nissan Magnite. Now, on the occasion of this new year, Asian ANCAP has revealed that the Nissan Magnite compact SUV has achieved a 4-star rating at the crash tests. However, the detailed category-wise scores as well as the information regarding the variant tested have not yet been revealed. The Nissan Magnite compact SUV is currently being manufactured only in India, and export of this car has not yet been started. So it is highly likely that this is the Indian spec model that has been crash tested by Asian ANCAP. So despite being the most affordable compact SUV in the Indian market and having overall light build quality, the 4-star safety rating of the Nissan Magnite is quite significantly commendable. The only other car in the 6 to 7 lakh rupee price range to get a similar crash test rating is the Tata Tiago compact hatchback. And when compared in the compact SUV segment, the overall score seems to be similar to the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza as well. So going by the overall package the Nissan Magnite has to offer, it is easily one among the best value for money compact cars in the Indian market today, while also being one among the safer cars at this price point. So stay tuned for further details on the crash test rating of the Nissan Magnite. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.